It is getting to be a lot warmer out, and now we have our beautiful plants, our herbs, our fruits, our vegetables that we are getting ready to put in the ground. And maybe you have a whole bunch of seeds that you started, or you have established plants that might be a little bit root sensitive when you transplant a plant like this, an established plant, one that you might have grown from seed, into the garden now that it's a little warmer outside and we can put our plants out into the ground. And one way that we can kind of mitigate this is by planting the plant directly in the pot. And we don't use those plastic nursery pots. We create biodegradable little plant pots. And while this isn't very little, you can put a whole bunch of plants, a whole pack of kale can go in here, but we can create these origami paper plant pots, pop the whole thing, established plant and all, into the ground. This is going to decompose around it and add some carbon to our soil. So let's figure out how to create those cool origami plant pots. First, you have your square piece of paper. You are going to fold it to all corners. So we're going to fold it lengthwise, like a hot dog bun. Fold it again. The hot dog bun on the other side. So now you'll have 4 main corners. You are going to fold now triangle tip to triangle tip. Rotate. Fold again, so that you see that your paper has every corner and the middles all have a crease. Then position it like a diamond so that a corner is facing you. This is the tricky part. You are going to pinch the left and the right corners in. So put your finger in the middle, kind of crease as you bring the paper in. Crease. You're going to bring that down to the bottom. It'll look like that. Same thing on this side. You're going to bring this corner down to the bottom so that you create another diamond facing you, or a little mini square. Next, you want to make sure that the open end is pointing away from you. So then take that top flap, that top corner, bring it down till it meets kind of in the middle of the paper. You're going to then fold it again so it makes a flat line, and one more time so that there is no extra little edge. It'll look like this. Flip it over and repeat. Open it up so that you have your flat sides again. So you're just going to kind of rotate it, squeeze it, push it down, and now none of these sides have that flat edge that we just made. Now hold it on the blank side flap facing away from you. Going to pull it in to meet in the middle. So you're going to take the corner, pull it to meet in the middle. Do the same on the other side. Meet in the middle. Now you're going to take this top flap and fold so that this corner right here touches the middle as well. Same on this side. Flip over and do the same thing. Now you're going to have cute little hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. You're going to take your triangle pointy tops that are pointed away from you. Fold once, fold twice. So now it's a flat edge. You're going to unfold very quickly. Take this triangle, this pointy flap right here, fold it up and under the creases you originally made. Do the same to this side. So fold one triangle down, fold that flap over, take your little tab, fold it under the two creases. Now you're gonna have, looks like a little tiny, almost like a dried. Then all you do is gently open it up, kind of tap it to make that nice flat surface. And there you go, you have a little origami plant pot. This is great for seed starters or for established plants that you want to put right in the ground.